Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video, we're going to be going over 3 OnlyFans agency must-have tools. Now, I can speak from personal experience when I say these tools are going to be a game changer, because they've been a game changer for me at my agency. And in case you don't know who I am, my name is Ethan Bayliss. I run one of the leading OnlyFans agencies based in the UK, and we use these tools on a daily basis. My account manager, Lewis, constantly goes on about it, and my chatters also love these tools. So yes, these tools are tried and tested, and they're going to be an absolute game changer, especially if any of you are running your very own OnlyFans agency. So let's get into tool number 1. So the first tool is Super Creator. Now, in case you don't know what Super Creator is, it's a tool that was built specifically for OnlyFans agencies. Now, this tool is an absolute game changer, as it allows you to optimize your model's audiences. Now, I'm talking optimization of pricing, optimization of retention, and optimization of engagement. So yes, it allows you to optimize absolutely everything about your model's audiences. And it comes with some really cool features to do this. So it comes with a fan CRM, so it allows your chatters to get instant on-the-fly information about the subscribers they're talking to, the typical spending habits, the typical pricing that they buy at, what type of content they like, and it allows you to also optimize the pricing as well. So it allows your chatters to be a lot more efficient when talking to your model subscribers, which of course is a massive win. It also comes with better engagement features, so you can do targeted pricing, so you can send out dynamic pay-per-view content to all the subscribers, and it will change the pricing based on how much the subscriber typically spends on pay-per-view content. And it will also comes with some cool auto follower back features, which allows you to increase retention. So yes, it comes with some really cool tools, and it's absolute game changer for my agency, and we use this tool absolutely every day, and my chatters absolutely adore it. So if you're not already, make sure you implement this tool. Now, the next tool is Notion. Now, Notion is fantastic and allows me to operate my OnlyFans agency, keep an eye on all the departments, and make sure everything is going like clockwork. Now, I'm talking, this allows me to just wake up in the morning, take a look at a few spreadsheets, and see whether we're on track and whether we're not on track. If we're not on track, I need to do more work. If we are on track, then that means everything's all good, and I can close my laptop for the day. So it allows me to optimize everything in terms of simplicity of the agency. And of course, we can also integrate some really cool features. So for example, if I go to my promotional team's dashboard, you can see that you have cool features like a social media caption generator. Allows us to keep all the engagement groups that we have, training material, keep a list of the teams, their meeting schedules, and everything. So it's really great for our OnlyFans agency, and it makes everything really nice and simple for me especially, which allows me to keep on top of everything going on inside the agency. Now, the final tool is Linktree. Now, Linktree is fantastic because it allows us to create a specific link tree for a model and then put it on our social medias, so we can then track how much traffic each link is getting, and we can also optimize whether they're going to the free page versus the paid page. So typically we'll list both pages, and we'll then of course have traffic going to the free page, traffic to the paid page, and it just allows us to keep all the model's information in one place. And again, it allows you to attach your model from her OnlyFans link, so it's kind of a fail safe, so she's less likely to get banned as you're not linking from the Instagram directly to the OnlyFans account. So by having this intermedium, especially an intermedium which has great tracking features and use cases, it allows us to manage our models with little risk of them getting banned, while also being able to look at the data behind their social media growth, what's going right, what's going wrong, and whether we can actually make some tweaks to their social media strategy. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you found that valuable, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button. And now, if you're interested in starting and scaling your OnlyFans agency and learning from the best, make sure you also book a call down below where we can talk about how we can implement some of our battle-tested strategies to help you start and scale your OnlyFans agency up to 50K a month within 90 days. So if you're interested in that, book a call down below, and we'll speak soon.